YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It's your boy Smooth back with another half-empty food review. And not only is this a food review, but this is a collab food review. That's right, a collab. Because guess who I'm hooking up with? Oh, y'all already know. Or you should know. Or you want to know. But you so nosy, so I'm going to go and tell you. Y'all know? You do. You lying. You don't know. Maybe you did. Maybe you don't.
Let's go! Yeah, homie, I real fast car, big rims, winter tinted system up, guaranteed it on winning. Yeah, homie,
Alright, as you can see, your boy is over here in the slab. So that must mean that the person that I'm doing the collab with got to be famous for killing the car reviews. And that guy is my guy, my homie, my brother from another mother. RDR Food Reviews out of D-Town, Texas. That's right, Dallas in the building. Texas, my guy just don't represent for Dallas. My guy represents the whole state of Texas. I'm talking about from the top to the bottom. He is Texas all the way through. So when my guy said, hey, Smooth, let's go and get the people to review, let's go and give it to them. Now, I'm going to slide over here because we're doing the KFC new crispy kernel chicken sandwich. And I'm going to pull up and I'm going to get the, guess what? Smokey Mountain BBQ. And my guy RDR said he's going to do the Nashville Hot, representing for Tennessee. You know, they didn't have the Texas barbecue, so I was just like, well, barbecue Texas, it's the same thing. Y'all get where we going with this. He representing for the Tennessee. Since I'm in Tennessee, I'm representing the barbecue for Texas. So we gonna go and get this thing. We're gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna come back and hit that line. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, your boy got them goodies, yeah. Got them. Who did that? Who did that? You know what? That's all good. Counter dust. Alright, so as you can see, your boy got this box right here. I'm gonna let y'all in on the scoop. Ooh, y'all see what happening with that? Get in that box. Got them potato wedges. See, we got that sandwich all wrapped up. Y'all ready to get into that sandwich? Cause we ain't come for them potato wedges, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna be real with y'all. It's almost cheaper to get the combo than to just get the sandwich by itself. So let's go and get into this sandwich, y'all. Guys, now that we done got to look at that thing, let's go and get into this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, got them pickles. I don't know if this is just regular mayo. I gotta check up on it. And see if that's regular mayo. But I know it does have that Smokey Mountain BBQ sauce on there. On this bun, which to me, my bun looked like it been shooting heroin. All these cracks in it. What is this, a sideways bun? Get out of here. Alright, first of all, we get into this though. Looking at the presentation on my sandwich, besides this crackhead bun and this whatever sauce this is that's just hanging all off of it, Look like they kind of went light with the Smoky Mountain BBQ because it didn't get the full coverage, even though they hit me with a little bit down here on the bottom of the bun. And of course, you know, I got that Michael Jackson thing going on the bottom of my bun. But the size-wise, guys, for almost $5 for a chicken sandwich, it's kind of small, Jack. But anyway, nevertheless, how small it is, let's go and hit that thing. Wait a minute. Y'all, I thought I would never be able to say this. And I'm almost ashamed to say this. Because if anybody know me, y'all know how much I love chicken fillet, chicken sandwiches. But this here sandwich, hands down, if this stays on the menu and they lower the price, KFC, you got me for life. I wouldn't go back and get another chicken fillet sandwich ever because this is so moist and juicy. So, look at that. Look how that is. Look at the squeeze back on that. Look at the thickness on that. Ooh. I don't know if that's regular mayo, but the creaminess on that with the tartness of those pickles. Hold on, y'all. Mr. Airplane, could you please shut the hell up while I'm trying to do a review? Thank you. Alright guys, where was I at? Oh yeah, with those pickles and that tanginess and sweetness of that Smoky Mountain BBQ and that smokiness that comes through, God. This is a full tank all day. RDR, I hope that your sandwich is just as good as mine. Y'all make sure y'all get over there to my guy channel. Check out his collab. What? Wait a minute. I'm gonna search for that piece of chicken. You can't just be flying away like that and think you ain't gonna get all that goodness. But anyway, make sure y'all get over there. Check out my guy side of the collab. Let him know Smooth sent you. Make sure you subscribe to him. Hit that notification bell. Make sure that y'all get over here. Get y'all some half-empty merchandise. Go show my guy as much love as you show me, man. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Smooth, and I'm out.